Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
So, children,
morning.
good morning. Now we write the tables as you know before starting the multiplication sums. We are revising the tables also and writing in the revision notebook. Viva, stop whatever are you eating or something in your hand.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. So, take out your revision notebook, everyone, and start writing table of 18, 19, and 20. I'm not writing on the board. I will discuss the answers with you all. Table of 18, 19, and 20. Please write it in your revision notebooks, everyone. Okay, we start with the table of 18. 18 ones are,
18.
18 twos are,
36.
18 threes are,
54.
54.
54.
18 fours are,
72. 72.
72.
18 fives are.
90. 90.
90.
Only Vihan Dobaria has learned and Manya and Moksh. They are 2, 3 students are speaking. 18 six are.
108.
100.
108.
18 sevens are.
126.
126.
18 eights are.
144.
145. 144.
141.
144. 18 nines are.
126.
126.
18 nines are.
162.
162.
162. 18 tens are.
180.
180.
Which child is having a mic problem and speaking very clearly? Aradhya, you?
89.
Okay. Next is, please complete the table of 18. Giving you a time to complete. Everyone, please write it in your notebooks. By the time you are writing in the notebooks, don't write what I am writing here on the board. Once I explain, then write. Don't write because you are doing your work, I am doing my work. Write tables 18, 19, and 20. And I am writing something for you which I will discuss later.
More multiplication sums.
No story problems.
Ma'am, 18 sevens is 126, no? 120.
Huh.
120.
Mute your mic, Vihan. Rajvi Nikhare, your tables are done. You are not taking your class seriously. What happened, Dhyan Patel? Write the answer. Why? What is the reason why you cannot keep your camera on?
Because it is network issue.
Okay. Rajvi Nikhare, you tell me. Why? What are you doing? What is in your hand? Start writing. Where is your notebook?
Ma'am, what is 19 major? I forgot.
Wait. Talk. Let me talk with Rajvi Nikhare. Where is your notebook? You are asking what? 19?
8, sir.
152.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Rajvi, please write it in your notebooks. Don't sit in the class simply.
What
Dania,
is
come back to the
19
place.
nines, sir?
19 nines are 171.
Okay.
Okay, I will repeat the table of 19. 19 ones are
90.
19 twos are
138.
38.
38.
19 threes are
57. 57.
57. 19 fours are
76. 76.
76.
76. 19 fives are
95.
95.
90.
19 sixes are
114.
114. 19 sevens are
133.
133. 19 eights are
152.
152. And 19 nines are
171.
171. And 19 tens are
190.
190. Please write the table of 20 also. Rajvi Nikhare, I am removing you from my class because you are not doing anything. I am removing you, huh? Then you will not able to enter the whole period in my class. पूरा time नहीं आ पाओगे आप. Can I remove you? ईयरफोन से भी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है यार राजवी निखारे. I don't know what he is doing.
Ma'am, weekend means give the heading 1 hour page. Story problems.
Yeah. Take the new page.
Ma'am, in
Mantra
the English
turn.
notebook?
Maths notebook. Neva, turn on your camera, please. Write the story problem heading in your maths notebook.
Ma'am, we have to also discuss the 20
Am
table.
I right? So table of 20.
Okay, after writing the table of 20, take your maths classwork notebook and write this heading, story problem. 6,213 people went to a beach. Let me complete first. Were collected in all. 6,231 people went to a beach. As you all also visited to a beach also. Same way, this many people visited to a beach. Each person collected 26 shells. When you visit to the beach area, what happens generally? You student children or they are excited. What they do? They start playing with the sand and they collect the shells. So here, there also they have collected the shells, and each person has collected 26 seashells. So how many seashells were collected in all? One person has collected 26. 6,231 people collected how many? So what are you going to do in this?
Ma'am, multiply.
Multiplication.
But the main thing, multiplication, you all are clear how to do multiply. But the main is to write the statement, which is very much compulsory in the story problems. And how to write the statements, like first line. On the first line, how you make the statement? 6,231 people went to a beach. So your first line will be number of people visited to a beach or went to a beach is 6,231. So when you write the story problem, the number which is given, that will become that right side. You cannot write will be wrong. I cannot say this will be wrong, but you can write 6,231 people visited to a beach. This way also some people write. But the correct way of writing is to write the statement first and then write the number, so that when the number below the number will come, exact multiplication will be done. properly, neatly. But sometimes some people what do, they write the number or the calculation first and write the next statement second. That also right, not wrong, but for your convenience and to look neat and tidy, you write the statement first and the numbers later. So write the first statement. Number of, short form of number is no dot. No dot also correct, and if you want to write the spelling of number, that also correct. Kashmir, turn on your camera because I know your today camera is working. Number of people.
People.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Three
Ma'am,
devices का on हो. आजा.
ma'am, because I have joined from mobile, so the ma'am mobile one is on and the laptop one is off.
So क्यों लैपटॉप से जरूरत पड़ रही है आपको? Yes, Mantra, you have to copy the question also.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
and the seashells are
Ma'am, my
jointed
dad
or
is
not? The spelling of the seashells.
SEASHELLS.
Ma'am, it is jointed or not?
Join, seashells.
excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am,
Excuse
my
me, ma'am.
dad is saying that after 2-3 days I will buy a new iPad for you, so I will then do
No,
from
my dear, I
iPad
am not
only.
telling you to buy the new iPad. I am telling you if you are there with the mobile, what is the need of joining with the three devices? आप एक में दिख रहे हो, voice भी clear है, visible भी है, then why you are with the other devices? उनको off कर दो.
Ma'am, but
आपको
ma'am,
screen नहीं दिखती.
yes. In
Okay,
mobile, the screen is small and laptop,
okay,
in
okay.
the screen is big. That's why.
So first statement is write the solution here headings. My board is visible to you all till the last.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I
Yes,
see
ma'am.
I mean the answer?
No, I'm not.
Excuse
I'm
me, ma'am.
not focusing on the answer right now because I'm teaching you the story problem. So right now I'm focusing on the statement. Once you are clear writing the statement, then you can easily do the multiplication which you have already learned. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, you have written 6,231 people went to a beach. Then is it full stop?
Full stop.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, we can write number of people went to a beach.
Number of people went to a beach, and then after completing the sentence, write the numbers 6,231. Number of people went to a beach and write 6,231. And what will be your next step?
Collected.
Generally, each
seashells.
word problem has 2 to 3 statements होते हैं. जितनी information आपको given है, first you need to make the statement on the information which is given to you. Here 2 informations are given to you. One information, number of people, and the second information about how many shells collected by each people. So 2 informations are given. So first 2 statement based on the information which is given to you, right? And the last statement based on the information which you are finding out. So always remember, always listen to me first. So always remember, the beginning statements are based on the information given to you. Suppose sometimes the 3 informations are given to you when you do the addition sums, right? Addition sums when you do. Anna, you are joining right now, bacha?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, we can write each person collected seashells.
You will not write first, you listen what I'm trying to explain. Because writing part, solution part, तो हम पूरी time practice करते रहेंगे. Basic first day पे अगर आपने class में attention pay नहीं किया, then you will face the difficulty. Yes, Vihan Doberia, speak.
Nothing.
Yeah, first let me clear your doubts. Let me explain what the beginning. Aradhya, wait. Okay. In the beginning class, first class, you have to pay attention. And in the next classes, you can start asking your queries. Fine. So my first thing is, whether it is the statement, many of the times it has been noted that the students are facing problem in the story problems of writing the statement. I'm talking about all the concepts, whether any operation, whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So my dear, statement is already in the question. जो भी statement होता है वो based on question ही होता है, उसमें learn करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, nothing to learn, nothing to worry about it. Everything is there in the question only. Right now in this is the multiplication sum. So two information are given to you. So your two lines or your two main statement based on the information which is given to you. And your third statement will be what you are finding out. Here you have to find out how many shells collected in all, right? And here the word in all is coming and you will say, ma'am, it can be plus sum then. No. Why? Because multiplication is also a repeated addition. You can find it by adding it 26 times or by multiplying it also. Then it will be very big sum and you will consume lot of time, right? So don't go for the last word that ma'am it's in all is saying, and we have learned in the beginning classes all together in all is the addition sum, right? We
Ma'am?
can find it by addition also, but right now we can do it with the multiplication. We have learned the shortcut method of that because multiplication is a repeated addition. Then again I will come on the statement, please Vedant, I will clear your doubts, but let me speak.
Ma'am, this is about this only.
Okay, speak.
Ma'am, you said that if it is multiplication also we will use in all, but how will we if it's there's a sum and in the last it is in all? So how will we detect it is a multiplication or addition sum?
You have to understand the language of the question. You have learned unitary method, no? When
Yes.
the one is given and you have to find out for many, you always do multiply.
Yes.
Here it is given for one, that each person collected 26 and you have to find out how many 6,231 people collected.
So by the language we have to understand.
Yes, by the
Okay,
language.
ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please, Aradhya.
Ma'am, I can write only number of people only.
Number of people also you can write.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can like that people.
People visited, number
No.
of people, but number is compulsory to write because you are telling about the numbers, how many number of people. So are you clear? When it is the addition sum or the subtraction sum, if the three informations are given to you and fourth information you have to find out, so your first three statement based on the information which is given to you. So always remember जो beginning के statements हैं वो based होते हैं that how what is given to you, what information is given to you. चाहे एक information given है तो एक statement, दो given है तो two statement, three or the three statement, whichever. So don't get confused in writing the statements. And it is compulsory to write the statement. Otherwise, if you only solve the sum by understanding the language of the question, you only do the multiplication and not writing the statement, your half marks will be deducted for the statement. Suppose the question is of 2 marks, you will only get the 1 mark for the solution, not for the statement. Am I clear? This is not the rule for the grade 4. This is the rule when you go in the higher grades also. The examiner will deduct the marks for the statement. Am I clear to you all? And most of the students face the difficulty to understand the language of the question. Whether when it comes in the mix, addition, subtraction, multiplication, सारे sum जब mix में आते हैं, तो most of the problem comes and arrives where to understand the language of the question. So please, when you do the practice, combinedly all the multiplication, all the sums, all the operations, understand the language of the question and then apply the operation. Am I clear? यहाँ पर हम सेपरेटली खाली मल्टीप्लीकेशन और डिवीजन दो ही कॉन्सेप्ट इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे, तो यू कैन इजीली रिकॉग्नाइज मैम यहाँ मल्टीप्लीकेशन और हियर डिवीजन विल हैपन. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू ऑल द ऑपरेशन, जब ईयरली पेपर बनता है ना बेटा, जब फाइनल ईयर का पेपर बनता है, व्हेन यू गो इन द लास्ट योर जनवरी फरवरी एग्जाम, जो फाइनल टर्म होता है, फाइनल टर्म में ऑल द ऑपरेशन कम कंबाइंड, आपको पता भी नहीं लगेगा कि मैम ने कहाँ का कौन सा स्टोरी प्रॉब्लम बनाया है. So for this I am requesting you to keep a habit of reading more and more story problem. Read करो, सिर्फ read करो, different books से मुझे बताओ, and we will discuss that whether it, which operation we will apply there. Okay, I will really appreciate when you read at least 2 story problems of all the concepts together and discuss with me. Clear? Done. Sum is written by everyone. Can I go for the solution?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Write the
Ma'am, we
question.
can write each person collected seashells.
हाँ, next number of sea cells each person collected.
ma'am,
Second statement will be number of. हाँ बेटा.
excuse me, ma'am.
Please go. Those who want to go washroom.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Aradhya, then Vihan. Yes, Aradhya.
let's say written is first.
Let me check. Wait a minute. हाँ. Second statement, number of seashells each person collected.
Ma'am.
Children, now you will say that, ma'am.
We can write each person collects.
हाँ, you can write. Children, now you will say that, ma'am, why you are using Vihan. I will clear your doubt. You have some patience. Now you will say, ma'am, why you are using 2 lines, why you are not using along in the 1 line the statement of this. My dear, see, I am leaving this much space for the numbers to write. So I am writing the one statement in the 2 lines, so that my right hand side, the space which is left will be for the solution of the sum. Can I erase the board? Then I will clear you. Easy.
No, ma'am.
Write the question. Yes, Vihan, what is your query?
Now, after many, it is looking like some. After many.
SHELLS.
Oh, I thought what it is and or S. I was thinking that.
SHELLS.
Ma'am, may I say the answer?
Okay, give me the answer. What is the answer coming?
May I say, ma'am?
Answer is 49 sharp.
Let me solve. Wait a minute. First, let me solve. I will give you the
Renu
answer.
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
sorry to intervene, but very important announcement. I want everybody to hear and listen to me properly. I'll be talking in Hindi so that everybody understands. I know you will know English, but still, there are 2 important information that needs to be given. First, जो बच्चे स्कूल आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, और उन्होंने स्कूल ट्रांसपोर्ट और फूड, स्कूल फूड के लिए हाँ बोला है, फीस पे करने की लास्ट डेट कल है. ये ऑलरेडी मेल में मेंशन्ड है, मेल्स आप लोग को जा चुके हैं.
Danya, you are not at your place. Come back, Mantra.
She just ran, so you can repeat once again for all of them.
Yes.
तो उसकी फी पे करने की कल लास्ट डेट है. रीजन बीइंग, जो फूड और ट्रांसपोर्ट देखते हैं वो लोग एडवांस में फीस लेते हैं, ये बात सबको पता है, ठीक है. तो कल तक पॉजिटिवली फीस पे कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है. कैसे करनी है वो ऑलरेडी मेल में, कम्युनिकेशन के नाम से मेल गया है, उसमें सब मेंशन्ड है, वो देख लीजिएगा. सेकंड important announcement, when you come to school you are supposed to come in school uniform. School uniform is, vendor is here in the school 9 to 2. You can come and you can buy your school uniforms. Is that clear? Any questions, any doubts, you can ask Renu ma'am. Renu ma'am, if any doubt which you think needs to be catered by me, you can call me right away. Viva, for you said meals. Okay, Viva, is that your doubt? Meals? Come on.
Yes.
हाँ, तो meals के लिए there are 2 meals, but we will inform you through mail. Okay, a timetable will come to you. New timetable, timings has already been sent. Please read the mail carefully. Everything you will get to know. Yes, Danya.
Ma'am, on our first day we have to wear blue uniform or white?
White uniform. Thursday, white uniform. Jigar Singh.
It's your Wednesday, right?
Ma'am, we have to select in the meal and the transport. We can choose one only, or we have to choose both.
Please check the mail. Check the mail carefully. For transport, there is one mail, and for food, there is another mail. Check. Okay, or there are 2 forms.
Okay, ma'am.
एक फॉर्म में दोनों ऑप्शंस दिए मैं, फूड का भी ट्रांसपोर्ट का भी, आपको जो चाहिए आप वो ऑप्ट कर सकते हो. ठीक है.
Your parents will take the decision bacha, on behalf of this.
Renu ma'am, any other
Yes,
further
ma'am.
doubt you can please take over.
Yeah. Okay,
Ma'am?
Ma'am, I will call.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am,
You
can
got
I say the answer?
Give me 1
Ma'am.
minute.
Excuse me. Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
have a
can I
doubt.
say the answer?
If you all speak, you all know my class rule.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Can I say
Yes,
one doubt?
Manya. Manya, please speak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can also write as number of seashells or each person collected. We have to write it whole, or
Each
we can
person
only
का करना, each person का आएगा, because number of seashells तो last में आएगा ना, total number of seashells collected.
Okay, ma'am.
So if you don't write the word each, it will not be understood clearly.
Hello, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Last number
Folks, I will not answer your query.
in all.
Sorry. You forgot the class rule. And it is happening from the beginning today. You know the teacher give the chance to each child, listen to each child, but you have to wait for the teacher. Yes, Jigar Singh, what was your query?
Ma'am, I was saying, ma'am, nothing. I asked the gentleman.
Okay. Kashvi, what is your query?
Ma'am, in the third, the answer will be how many seashells were collected.
How many will not come in the answer? How many never come in the answer? You will say number of seashells collected, total number of seashells collected by the 6,231 people. How many, what is this? The question form questions will not come in the answer. Yes, Rajvi Nikhare. Folks, I will come last to you.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
No, I will first discuss the queries related with it. Yes, Vishrut. Lower down your hand, Rajveer. Kashvi, lower down your hand. Yes, Vishrut. Please speak.
That we know that number of people I have written.
Till here you have done number of seashell each person collected, which is
Ma'am, in that only I have a doubt.
word doubt. Please ask.
That number of seashells, I can write different that how many people, how many person have taken the seashells.
No, ये line क्यों आएगी बेटा? How many? How many वाली line तो third statement, और how many कभी भी आंसर में नहीं आता. जहां से how many आ गया means वहां से वो statement आपका final statement है. And you have to remove the how many and you will say number of seashells were collected in all.
Okay, ma'am.
Lower down your hand. Niva.
Ma'am, we can write as the answer the total.
Total number of seashells collected by. Yes.
I'm saying the
Niva.
total number of people collected.
टोटल
is
नंबर
the
ऑफ
answer.
पीपल नहीं. अगर आप नंबर लिख रहे हैं तो टोटल नहीं, अगर टोटल लिख रहे हैं तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल आएगा.
Okay.
और टोटल नंबर ऑफ सीशेल्स कलेक्टेड बाय पीपल नहीं. यस विवा.
Can I say the answer?
नो, आंसर आई विल कम ऑन नेक्स्ट. यस आराध्या. Aradhya, any doubt?
This.
No, ma'am.
Lower down your hand. Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, we can write total number of seashells collected in all.
This will be a last statement. Lower down your hand, everyone. Now, Aradhya and Moksh, lower down your hand. Now, what will be the final answer? Tell me. Write it in the chat box. No. Write it in the chat box. Sorry.
Ma'am, I am seeing that I have written total seashells collected by 6,200
Okay.
persons.
That also okay.
Thank you.
Write the answer in the chat box. Very good. I can see Niva, Viva. Many of you are giving the right answer. Rajvi, Vedant. Good.
Ma'am?
Rajvi Nikhari, your answer is wrong.
Ma'am, may I say something, ma'am?
Yes, please speak.
Ma'am, before doing on the page that we have written our statements, so first I have written in my your book,
Notebook. Yes.
so that it is okay. First I have did
Okay,
in
okay.
this book.
And if suppose in exam the sums are coming, now when your pen and paper exams will start, because till now you have a habit of writing
Ma'am,
in the
see, I have
simple form.
written that.
Now your pen and paper exam will start. Then what happens? Sometime in multiplication and division you have a doubt whether it will be correct or not. Do it with the pencil there. Okay. Once your answer is coming, you are confident that the answer is correct. Then do it with the pen again. Trace the answer with the pen. Clear?
Ma'am, I did that only, ma'am.
Yes. Aradhya has written right. The answer is, if your answer is coming this, students, which is written in the chat box by many of the students,
Ma'am, see.
is the correct answer. Yes.
Ma'am, Viva's answer is wrong.
Yes, ma'am. She has written 16000 and
Who?
Viva.
Let me check the Viva's answer.
Yes, ma'am, she hasn't added 2.
Viva, then
She
check.
has added 3 zeros.
Viva, check your answer. Now I'm going to present my screen, the worksheet which I'm going to send you on the word problems. We will discuss the statement, that how you are going to write the statement in these worksheets, and you can solve it in your notebooks because there is no space given in the worksheet. Danya, whatever you are eating, eat after the class. Sorry. This is the solve these multiplication problem. These are only the questions given. 6 to 7 questions are there. Solve it. Don't write the question in your notebooks. Only write the statement and solve. Clear? Don't write the question.
Now we have to write only solution.
Only solution. What is the cost of 175 washing machine if each cost is 7,530? Tej Kumar, what will be the first statement?
Ma'am, it will be how many is the cost of
Wrong.
100?
First of all, how many never comes in the statement, and how many line will never come in the first line.
Ma'am, may I say?
Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, the first line will be number of washing machines.
Number of washing machines, yes.
And
How
then
many? What will be the? How many number of washing machines are there?
175.
Acha, bacha, when you write 175 first and write 7,530 next, will you able to multiply the number properly because it's a 3-digit number?
No, ma'am.
So
we have
here
to-
also have to take the decision that which line should come first.
Ma'am, the cost of one washing machine.
Yes, cost of washing machine, one washing machine or each washing machine is 7,530. And what will be the second statement, students? Viva, what will be the second statement?
Number of washing
नंबर आएगा ही
machines.
नहीं, अब नंबर तो हो गया. हाँ, sorry, number of washing machine आएगा. Sorry, number of washing machine. How many number of washing machines are there?
175.
Yes, 175. Round. Next, Moksh will tell me. Moksh, what will be the final statement?
Ma'am, the first one.
First one ka final last statement.
The cost of washing machines.
हाँ.
The
Total cost of washing machines are this much. Same way, you have to write the statement in all the sums. Beta, if you do only the multiplication, I will not check your question. Because main focus is on the story problem is the statement. There is a 50-50 marks for the statement and the solution. A box of egg holds 6 eggs. If had 20 full boxes, how many eggs would I have? There are 365. Wait, one question is there where the number is not given. Yes. How many days in 20 weeks? So only one number is given. Only the multiplicand is given. The
So,
multiplier
ma'am, how
is
many
not
days
given.
will be there in a week? We have to write that.
So you are going to multiply 20 with which number?
Ma'am, 7.
7.
7. Yes. Clear? This concept I want to explain you. So please do this and share the work with me. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.